Welcome. My name is Cassie. I hope you're having a good day or had a good day wherever you may be in this world. Today I'm going to do Today I'm going to be doing a first impression / review of the Bakerie Insta-Bake Aqua Glass Foundation and the Beauty Bakerie Insta-Bake 3-in-1 Concealer. So I just put it to the test. This is not a long wearing or check-in video. It is just showing you how I apply it, what I apply it with, what primer I'm using, if I'm using a primer, and what my thoughts are after I apply it, what my thoughts are on the concealer, and then at the end I give you my 100% honest review. Am I going to keep it? Am I going to return it? Am I going to continue to try it? And tell you how I feel. Let me know what you're thinking down below. Also, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Believe me, the giveaway video will be coming in January, so if this is the first video that you see that's saying this, yes, we hit 200 subscribers, yes, the giveaway is coming. I have a little goodie bag on my floor over here of what I plan on filming with. I don't want to have to worry about shipping everything out before I go with my family or in the middle of it and then taking up more space in my luggage. I don't want to have to worry about that, but I'm not breaking a promise. I'm not making you guys or having you guys subscribe to my channel and telling you this giveaway and not doing it. That is not the case. I am doing the giveaway and it is pretty good, I must say. There's some pretty good brands in there. It's not like huge, but it's not like two Wet n Wild pencils, you know? It's not like that. So definitely make sure that you are subscribed so that way you can go ahead and get the video of the giveaway when I upload. It is coming in January. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel. It is free. We all love free things. It's not going to hurt you to hit that button. And also I upload twice a week, once on Wednesdays and once on Sundays. So if you want to know about this foundation and how I feel about it, then just keep on watching. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. Okay, so these, I literally have on the worst pair of lashes right now. I'm just trying to barrel through it, and so that way after this video I can go ahead and throw them away. But if you're wondering, so that way you don't have to purchase them, it is the Pure Pro Lashes in the style Bombshell. They just do not stay put no matter what. I'm going to prime my face, and I'm going to give this kind of like half and half fairness. On half of my face, I am going to apply the primer that I usually always apply to my skin whenever I wear foundation, which is the Touch in Sol No Problem Primer. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that to the right side of my face. And I normally just apply it in areas where I have large pores. So like my cheek, half of my nose, and I like it to go on my chin so that way I can kind of like smooth my chin. But I believe this foundation is supposed to be smoothing, so we'll see. This isn't going to be a wear test. This is just going to be how it applies, how it looks on the skin with or without the pore filling primer. Oops. So this is the Beauty Bakerie Insta-Bake Aqua Glass Foundation. So I follow Laced by Jazz on YouTube. I am subscribed to her channel and she's always wearing this foundation. And every time she puts it on, I'm just like, it literally looks amazing. I don't know if it's because she has good skin or if the foundation is doing her wonders, because, I mean, her skin does look great, but the foundation on top of her skin looks amazing, so she's got to be doing something right. And I didn't have the patience to match myself correctly, so if this isn't the right shade, don't clock me on that. I will return it or exchange it if it's not the right shade, but this is, I just want to see the way that it wears. And it says it's inspired by the elegance and minimalistic approach to beauty that Japan is known for. This lightweight vegan foundation is a force to be reckoned with. Rightfully named Insta-Bake, this full coverage formula effortlessly covers anything left in its wake. Delivering extraordinary performance, it applies smoothly like a layer of frosting. And then it has really cute packaging. You kind of like flip it open like this, and then it's got like a little spatula here. Their packaging is super cute. I want to try their beauty sponges. And then it says baking tips. Prep your skin based on your skin's forecast for the day. If dry, hydrate with our Wake and Bake oil. If hydrated, you're one step closer to a beautiful beat. So I have oily skin, so I'm technically hydrated, and I just applied the No Problem Primer to half of my face just to see what the foundation does. And then it's a step 2, using our bakeware, blending eggs, sponges, or brushes. Apply Insta-Bake foundation to the center of your face and blend outward. Finish strong using our flour. Okay. So basically what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to use my Beauty sponge. Vegan friendly, recyclable, lasts 12 months, cruelty free, paraben free, gluten free, and it has 0 calories and is 1 sweetie per serving. So the shade that I have is for 349W. And yeah, we're just gonna go right in. I'm gonna use 2 pumps, but I'm gonna place one here, here. I feel like it may be a little light, but not to my chin. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and blend it out. It kind of just has like a normal foundation smell. We'll see. I feel like to my neck that actually blends. I don't know what you think. We just did a little foundation lesson. If you haven't already seen that or saw that, you can go ahead and watch. If you've tried this foundation before, it doesn't feel heavy, but it doesn't feel super light. Like I almost feel like it's like grease. I don't know. Maybe I'm bugging. Got glitter all up in my hair. I'm literally pounding out my forehead right now. I feel like with nothing on, this matches. It's just a little bit more yellow, but I feel like for sure it's definitely looking one. I feel like I'm looking super weird on camera just because I'm all flat. I don't have any contour or anything like that. But this is gonna be the real test, okay? I did an awful job blending on my nose. Ooh. That does not look good on my nose at all, and I have not had a problem with foundation looking bad on my nose in a long time. I don't have dry skin, but this is patching up and like clinging to right in here, right on my nose. And I noticed too that this left side of my face where I don't have the pore filling primer, it's looking a little rough. It's settling for sure. This side looks a lot better, but oh yeah, homegirl, we finna return you. That's for sure. Yeah, it looks awful. Usually when a foundation does that, I don't think that it's the primer because like here I didn't use anything and it's still bunching up on this side and it looks pretty bad. But I don't like to use a brand new primer with a brand new foundation just because I want to be able to see what it's like. So the shade was okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and try the Insta-Bake 3-in-1 Full Coverage Concealer. I got this in the shade 016 Drinkenstein. And it's smoothing, concealing, and you can use it for contour. And other than that, it doesn't say anything else. So if this is too light, my bad. I'm going to do the same exact thing that I normally do. So I'm going to go ahead. I do like this applicator. I'm going to put this under my eye. Ooh, I like that shade. I like that shade. Hopefully I like the concealer because I want to like something from this brand. I like that shade. How many times are you going to say it, girlfriend? I like that shade. I really do. I was a little bit nervous. It was going to be a little bit too light there, but we got it. You can, girl, you can. Okay, and then I'm going to blend it out with my beauty sponge. I feel like it looks like I just have a huge white spot right in the middle of my forehead. I feel like this is the type of foundation where concealer that I kind of have to work really quickly with. Otherwise it's going to stay in that spot. Okay, so if this concealer looks bad with this foundation, I am going to go ahead and give it another try with a different foundation that I know that I love, because sometimes the foundation underneath can affect the way that the concealer wears, and because I already decided that I don't like this foundation, I want to try the concealer on its own if it doesn't seem to work out now. And now I'm going to go ahead and take my Morphe and Jeffree Star Sponge and I'm going to blend out my concealer. Well, that was a bad idea because it's dry, pretty much. So don't let this concealer sit. I kind of had a feeling that would happen, but no, really, I think that I actually really like it. And I feel like Oh, maybe I would, but I feel like I wouldn't have to rush to set it. That feels really nice. So the concealer gets to stay at home with me for a little bit. I'm going to continue to try it on and use it with different foundations and not let it sit and stuff like that. I really, really like it. Hopefully on camera I'm not looking too washed out with this concealer because it looks a little light, but it doesn't look too bad. I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Powder, and I'm going to set my under eye. I'm going to use the Morphe M510, and I'm going to set my under eye with that powder just to kind of make it have a little bit more color and not so white. I normally don't use a pressed powder for under my eyes, but we'll see how that goes. All I know is that I love the way it looks without any powder or before my powder. And I am going to take the Pretty Vulgar translucent powder and I'm going to set the rest of my face. Okay, so I am back. I finished all of my makeup off camera besides my lower lash line because that is in a separate video. And I want to give you my thoughts. It has been probably about 30 to 45 minutes since I had finished. Also, do you like my highlight? Because it's popping, and I finally bought the Benefit Cookie Highlighter. And if you are sleeping on it, go get yourself that right now. Fill your cart, go take a walk to Ulta, go take a drive to Ulta. Do what you gotta do to get that cookie in your checkout and in your bag, in your hands, in your makeup collection. Do it. With everything on, it looks really good. Okay, so I just want to let you know, if my contour and bronzer are looking real harsh, it's because I use the Anastasia bronzer, and it's in the shade like Mahogany, which is super dark for me, but I received it in gratis and I wanted to try it, which their bronzers are A1, so go ahead and go and try them. With everything on, like bronzer, contour, blush, highlighter, I feel like this foundation is looking a little bit better. I definitely want to try it. Before I return it tomorrow, I'm going to wear it to work, and I'm going to try it with a hydrating primer underneath, maybe like the Too Faced Hangover RX primer or the Glam Glow one, just because I want to try it. At first, I definitely did not like it. I still don't like the way it's applying on my nose, but with everything else on, it looks really good in my opinion, and my lashes are falling off. I still definitely notice a difference between this side and this side. This side, you could definitely still see my pores. You can kind of see the foundation and everything is sunk in, whereas this, it's kind of just like a smooth canvas, a smooth cheek, a smooth foundation, smooth application, smooth everything. The concealer is looking a little dry under there. I'm not mad at it. I'm not hating it from here. It definitely looks amazing. Let me know what you think. Do you think it looks good? Do you think it looks bad? Can you even see anything? FYI, I do not have a smoothing filter on my camera. Maybe I do, but I have no idea how to work it. I'm not that technician. I kind of just make sure my light looks okay, my viewfinder, I'm in focus, and we're good. We're filming, my audio's on, and that's that. So let me know what you're thinking. Have you tried the foundation before? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Have you tried the concealer? Do you like it? Do you not like it? How do you think it applied? Do you think the color looks good? Let your girl know. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one.
No, baby, in a bag and a Birkin. No, not a vibe, put the work in. Laws and all, I love them all for me a burger. Baby girl, you got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Fuck around, get my last name. No, you